Hi, welcome to PW Holding, authorized partner for Sage Business Cloud Accounting with Sage Asia. Customer receipt. If a customer pays for purchase, you will process a customer receipt as a proof of payment. Add a receipt. Method 1. Go to Customers, Transactions, Customer Receipts. Click on Add Receipt button. Select Customer Name. After you select the customer, system will display outstanding invoices of this customer. System will show the customer outstanding amount in balance. Document number is receipt number. This will generate automatically from the system. Document number setting discussed in detail under Document and Statements Company Module video. Enter the receipt amount. Select Invoices until you fully match the receipt amount. Note: if you have activated the Auto Allocate Receipts Oldest Invoice option, system will automatically allocate invoices to the receipt. Reference. In reference, you can enter any reference to the receipt, such as check number, bank transfer number, etc. Select the deposit bank account. Enter description which you need to print in the receipt. You can enter any note in comments. Select receipt date. Select payment method: cash, check, credit card, or EFT, electronic fund transfer. In the line section, screen will display invoice number, invoice date, invoice total, amount due, amount received. If you give a discount such as early settlement discount, you can enter here. System will show unallocated balance if available. Without entering receipt amount, you can tick on Paid Invoice. Then, system will pick the receipt amount. If your customer settles one or more invoices from one receipt, you can select all settled invoices. Then, system calculate the total receipt amount. At the bottom of the screen, you can select one of 4 processing options. First process: to save the document and return to the screen that you were in. Second, process and new. To save the document and clear the field so that you can enter another receipt. Third, process and print. To save and print the document. Fourth, process and email. To save the document and email a PDF copy to the customer. Add a receipt. Method 2. Go to Customers, Transactions, Customer Tax Invoices. Select the invoice which customer has paid. Click on Actions. Select Create Receipt. Receipt screen has filled with customer name, receipt amount, and tick on Paid Invoice. You can enter the reference, bank account, description, and payment method. After enter required details, process the receipt. You can customize receipt list by clicking Customize Grid button. Add these columns by ticking and remove by unticking. You can export receipt list by clicking CSV button. You can sort the order of the list by clicking each column heading ascending or descending. You can sort by multiple columns by clicking multi-column sorting button. You can filter the list from following headings. Receipt report. You can generate customer receipt report from customer transaction reports. Select customer receipt from transaction type. View report. Note: if you are entering foreign customer receipt, system will display the foreign currency amount, home currency amount, and exchange rate. If you need, you can change the exchange rate according to your bank exchange rate. You can maintain post-dated checks in the system. We will discuss post-dated checks receipt in detail under post-dated checks customer module video. For more details, please log into www.pwholdings.lk. Thank you.